Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. So, my beautiful people, today I bring to you good tidings to you and your family. Remember, Progress the Analyst got you covered. I bring the update to you back to back. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed, subscribe and join this family. I don't really want to talk too much. Let me leave you to watch this latest update, and I'll be right back. So nothing will not go here again with this our ear for the country wey dem dey call Nigeria. Hey, misplaced priority. Every day na different stage o. No wonder somebody say Nigeria na zoo. A lot of people dey say no, Nigeria no go fit be zoo. Country when e be say dey feed animals, dogs with highest amount of money. Human being dey eat like ants. In fact, make e no be say I wan start to dey talk too much. Make we lis ten jejeje to this. Let's lis ten gently to what the Inspector General, that is the Controller of Police, about to say concerning this issue of feeding. So we will throw more light to it.
I've written a letter from the service to the Honourable Minister requesting the upward review of freedom of inmates Nigerian Correctional Service from 750 to 3,000 naira per inmate per day. So we are looking for assistance from the two.
In case you don't understand what is happening, he is trying to say also that the money used is too small. He needs more money to eat, but someone respond to him. That is Adams Oshomole. Let's hear what he said.
An unconvicted Nigeria who is presumed innocent in law. You feed that innocent who is presumed innocent with 750 naira a day at 250 naira per meal. And then a dog, which may be a Nigerian dog or an imported dog, you feed the dog with at least 800 naira a day. So a dog is better fed in Nigeria prison than an innocent Nigerian who is held in your custody. Whether it is the intention of government to appropriate more money to feed animals than to feed human beings. And that is a major policy issue for us.
If you calculate the money per year, it will give you about 22 billion naira spent for feeding prisoners and dogs and the workers. Hey, wonders they say shall never end. The Nigeria Correctional Service has said it spends more money to feed dogs than the inmates. It disclosed that while inmates are fed with 750 daily, security dogs get 800 naira daily feeding allowance. Hey, the Controller General of the Police disclosed this on Thursday at a joint National Assembly Committee on Interior. He said, the NCS has written to the Minister of Interior requesting a review of the amount we are using to feed the inmates from 750 per day to 3,000 per day. We are still waiting for approval. We are therefore seeking the assistance of the National Assembly to approve the increments. Can you imagine this? This is coming to you according to the Punch News. We have made provision for the feeding of inmates, dogs, and staff on training in 6 training institutions across the country. The money is grossly inadequate. Hey, the total number of inmates in 2023 is 81,354 nationwide, while 53,352 are awaiting trial. The budget for feeding each of them per day is 751 per day at 250 per meal for inmates. Hey, can you imagine this? Leave those people and let them go. The innocent people, leave them and let them go. Now you can see that because of this money, we even be making them to keep these innocent people, according to Adams Oshomole. The CG explained that the feeding allowance per day would be reduced to 72 naira after the reduction of VAT and tax. When the joint panel demand the breakdown of the menu being served to the prisoners as breakfast, lunch and dinner, the CG and his team said it was based on the location of the custodial facility. He added that the quantity of food and the ingredients needed to prepare it were contained in the menu chart. Na this one na dem dey talk so. Senior Adam Oshomole, who is the chairman of the joint committee, expressed worried about the sun spent on feeding the inmates going by the market price. He said about 53,352 or more are not convicted yet. They are awaiting trial. They are not guilty of any offence known to law. They are innocent under the law. For an innocent Nigeria who is being held in a correctional home, 250 per meal is grossly inadequate. I wonder what you are feeding them with. They are obviously underfed. Na today rain dey fall so and sun dey shine at the same time. Let's go there. The Minister of Interior said yesterday that the NCS, rather than being correctional, is dehumanizing. I am surprised that the 2024 budget is still based on old figures. I am surprised the CG cannot, based on the market force present before us, the realistic among that could feed an innocent Nigeria who has not been pronounced guilty by any court. You mean the chart is so complicated that you will need to read a book to tell us. Shomole further caused a stir when he asked the NCS team how much it cost them to buy the quantity of the foodstuff and ingredients needed to prepare the meal of a prisoner. Oshomole said, "This is a very important assignment. A lot of Nigerians under your care are innocent. They are in prison custody of big men and women who want to teach them a lesson. So many of them are there on an offense they knew nothing about. However, the system has put them under your care." Somebody said if Mandela was in a Nigeria prison for 27 years, he would have lost his sanity by the time he was released to govern South Africa. Our prisons are meant to correct the behaviors of the people. They are not condemnation center. They are not to dehumanize. How can you look us eye to eye and tell us that you feed a grown-up man in Nigeria with 750 naira a day? One of the things that have come out is that an unconvicted Nigeria is being fed with 750, and you feed each of the dogs under your care with 800 per day. So a dog is better fed in the Nigeria prison than an innocent Nigeria in your custody. It is a policy issue. We don't know the intention of the government to allocate more money to feed animals than to feed human beings. It is major politics issue for us. You people need to check into this issue because of a truth is a major issue. Now these people, they are now aware that some persons there are just innocent, according to Adams Oshomole. See, now only that they use that matter they talk cannot be me the talker. But the funniest thing is that they know the truth already. So it is best for them to go and do evaluation of everybody in each of the prison in Nigeria so that they will know how to carry out everything one after the other. So my beloved family, the bottom line of what I bring for you today is that, Nigeria prison, they feed dog more than human being. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analysis. I bring the update to you back to back. Thank you so much and bye-bye.